Let's review colors today in Filipino. Are you ready? Handa na ba kayo? Let's get started. These strawberries are red. Red in Filipino is pooh-lah. Pooh-lah. Can you say that again? That's right. It's pooh-lah. Pooh-lah is red. The sky is blue. Blue in Filipino is asul. Asul. Can you say that again? That's correct. That's asul. Asul is blue. These lemons are yellow. Yellow in Filipino is dilaw. Dilaw. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's dilaw. Dilaw is yellow. This flower is orange. Orange in Filipino is kah-hell. Kahel. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's kah-hell. Kah-hell is orange. These grapes and leaves are green. Green in Filipino is berde. Berde. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's berde. Berde. Berde is green. These flamingos are pink. Pink in Filipino is kulay rosas. Rosas. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's kulay rosas. Rosas is pink. These flowers are white. White in Filipino is puti. Puti. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's puti. Puti is white. This bird is black. Black in Filipino is itim. Itim. Can you say that again? That's correct. It's itim. Itim. Itim is black. Let's have a review. What color is the grass? Anong kulay ng damo? I will give you a few seconds to think. If you answer berde, berde, that's correct. Because berde is green. The grass is green. Ang damo ay berde. How about these flowers? Anong kulay ng mga bulaklak? Tama. If your answer is kulay rosas, you're correct. Because kulay rosas is pink. Rosas o kulay rosas is pink. How about these flowers? Anong kulay ng mga bulaklak? If your answer is dilaw, you're correct. Because dilaw is yellow. How about these apples? Anong kulay ng mga mansanas? Tama. Ang mga mansanas ay kulay pula. Pula. Because pula is red. If you're looking for beginner books in Filipino or Tagalog, we have these books available in Amazon. We have See and Say Tagalog, and we have my first Tagalog book.